Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Win's Life here. As we all know guys that holiday season is coming and I'm thinking of a dish that it is good to prepare for this coming holiday. So I'm trying to make something that it's colorful and easy to make. So if you guys want to, try the dish, an idea for this coming holiday season for your handa sa Pilipinas. So, and this time guys, I am making beef. I know beef is a little pricey in the Philippines, but hey, it's coming holiday. You can splurge. Is that the word? Splurge. I'm asking him. He's passing by. Splurge for this holiday season. So for today's video, I am making beef curry. I'll show you guys the ingredients. So these are the ingredients, guys. I like to prepare, when I'm cooking, I like to prepare all my ingredients in one plate. So when I move to the other side where the stove is, I just carry this whole thing. So, and it's also one thing to wash. Well, not one thing because I have this here, but not a lot of things to wash. So we have the beef here, and this is not rib eye, guys. So I don't know how tough this beef will be, and I'm going to boil it for a long time just to be sure because I like my beef really tender. So that's the beef. I am going to put some tomatoes this time. This is the first time I'm putting tomatoes on my curry, only because I want something red for this holiday season. And this is also red right here, the annatto powder or achuete powder. So that's the tomatoes. And then the onion, I want the red onion, but I ran out of red onion, believe it or not. So garlic, lots of garlic. And then for the green part, celery. And this is potato. I just cut it in dice pieces, and I soaking it in water so it won't turn brown. And then this is the coconut milk, water. So we'll boil the beef until it's really tender. And again, this is the achuete or annatto powder. And for my curry, guys, I like adding cumin to my curry powder because they go well together. And then salt and pepper and our powder, chicken powder, and then the olive oil. So those are the ingredients for tonight's dish. So let's start sauteing. I'm going to turn the exhaust. And then we're putting olive oil. I'm going to put the onion first. Then the garlic. Then the beef. I want to put the beef first before the tomatoes because I wanted to glaze the beef. I'm gonna season it with salt, pepper, and the chicken powder. Then I'm going to put the achuete powder. and the tomatoes. And also the curry powder and the cumin. So I put more of the curry powder than the cumin. Then I'm going to put the water. That's 2 cups, guys. So I'm going to boil it and check later on if it needed more, because I want it really tender. So we'll let that boil until very tender. I am now going to put the coconut milk, guys. The beef is already tender. I'm going to put a little bit of water on this to make sure I get all of the coconut milk. And then I'm going to put the potatoes also. I'll wait for the potatoes a little tender, and then I'm going to put the celery last. It is almost done, guys. And here it is, guys. Doesn't look like kare-kare. But it is curry, not kare-kare. Curry. Oh my gosh, that looks so delicious. I can't wait to try it. It smells really good too. And presenting, guys, our beef curry. I can really smell the curry and the cumin and the coconut milk. So what else are we waiting for, guys? You know what it is? Dinner time. And look at my rice. It looks like for a 2 years old child rice, because there's potato already, so we don't need a lot of rice. And of course, if you know me, guys, I will go for the first one, the fat. So let us try the beef first, if it is tender. Oh, it's hot. Oh my god. Ooh, that's so good. So let's try the potato. For the potato, guys, I do not like my potato really mushy or soft. Perfect. OMG, it's so yummy. Where's the other fat? There's the other fat, guys. But you know what, guys? I need to say bye because I wanted to enjoy it. I just want to savor it and not talk because it is so good. Oh my goodness. I think this is the best curry I've ever made. I don't know why, but I've made beef curry before, I think. Maybe I'm just in the mood because it's holiday season. But anyway, guys, yes, I have to say bye for now. Okay, so I will enjoy my dinner. I'm sure Chris is waiting as well. But here you go, guys. Try this recipe. It is so yummy. So guys, there you go for this holiday season. This is one of the idea that you can have, and then you will put the glutinous rice next to it. That's really good idea for New Year's Eve meal. So guys, I have to say bye for now, okay? So I can enjoy my dinner. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.